Hello guys, I'm back with the Renault Megane, and this time I will replace this third brake light or additional brake light or extra brake light. And for this work you will need special light bulb. This is more or less it's just 12 volts W16W, so 16 watts light bulb, and then it just looks like this and costs less than $1, so it's not too expensive, but you will not probably find it everywhere always. So after you got your light bulb, all you need to do, just go back at your rear window, and you'll find here actually like two little buttons here and there. Now you need to do, just because I have one hand it will be harder, but just press this one in and pull it toward you, and do the same thing with other place, and it will just pop away. So when you pop this away, you can take this out. It's rather easy stuff here. And you see there is actually nothing holding it in, and there is the light bulb itself. Well, there are two options. You can, in one hand you probably don't need to remove all this one, but with two hands it's easier if you do like that. Just take this one and then rotate it far away, and you see, kinda sounds weird, but it's alright. And take out this little light bulb here. Inspect if this is not burnt out or whatever else. Then take a new light bulb, press this one in, a little bit clean away the grease if you get any on the bulb. Then locate this kind of like this and press this one in with a little punch. You hear it, and then just lock this in place. Other than you can test if it works. Just try to press the brake pedal when the power runs, and if it's not, the cover is not there, you can easily see if it works alright. And check if this works. And you see the brake additional light works nice. After you've done this test, just put this back. Actually just kind of slides over the top, really easy part. Just put it like a little bit with angle in, and then make sure that these little pins are in place like they are now. And this is how you replace your extra brake light, and it's kind of easy work to do. Thanks for watching and goodbye.